What's cool about it? Everything.
David Burgess, Industrial Processes Department Head, TCAT Chattanooga.
Absolutely everything is cool about it.
Student controls a robot arm with a handheld device.
Industrial Automation Robotics program.
Text, Industrial Automation/Robotics, Chattanooga State Community College, TCAT Chattanooga.
It's taking a student who knows nothing whatsoever about machinery and teaching them how to thrive in the world of automation and robotics.
Students configure and run machines in an industrial automation lab.
So we're teaching you how to use a tool.
Richard Fair, Associate Instructor of Industrial Maintenance, TCAT Chattanooga.
We're teaching you how to build a mechanical drive system, hydraulic system, pneumatic systems, all the way through PLCs and robotics. The end result of this class is a multi-craft skilled technician.
When you're finished, you can be an electrician.
3 semesters, Industrial Maintenance Mechanic Electrician, 2023 median salary $56,000, plus 2 semesters with increased robotic emphasis, Industrial Automation Robotics Technician, 2023 median salary $89,000.
You can be a mechanic. You can be an advanced automation robotics technician.
If I was to go to school for
Drake Medina, class of 2024.
electricity, I would learn just about electricity, but with industrial maintenance, mechatronics, I can learn a variety of things.
I picked this specifically because I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just thought it would be cool to just kind of learn a bunch of different things. In doing so,
Brody Pleasant, class of 2024.
I found out that I really enjoy maintenance. That's kind of is what I want to do. Like, it'll just help you get a better idea of like what you do want to do.
So I do want to eventually become a PLC programmer.
Jonathan Smith, class of 2024.
I feel like after a few years of work for this field, I'll probably go back to get my degree in either advanced PLC coding or robotics.
You can see how they work and how to fix them and how to make it better if you wanted to.
You're coming in and you're learning how to run
Edward Moore, graduated 2023, skilled team member, Volkswagen Chattanooga.
all these wire connections, look at a schematic and go from point to point to point and really ingrain that into your memory.
Everywhere you go, machine logic, machine language, automation, robotics is in everybody's house. We are in a true global market that uses these things. And these skills are always going to be in demand.
The graduates from the Industrial Automation Robotics program are the people that make things work across the nation.
Jessica Green, Dean, TCAT Chattanooga.
It's kind of the backbone of society, and they can make great money starting out.
So we have students that exit the program making anywhere from 20 to 30 and plus, just depending on where they go to work and what they're going to be doing.
Transition into work was very easy.
Jared Durham, graduated 2013.
I was exposed to a lot of different disciplines really fast, to where from my knowledge here really accelerated me past a lot of guys that didn't have the experience that I did condensed into this classroom.
A buddy of mine told me, he's like, man, I'd go do it if I didn't have to pay for it. I said, you don't have to. I said, you can do Tennessee Reconnect and financial aid and they'll take care of everything. I said, you can go get your diploma right now.
Zero debt. You know, what a great deal.
You're going to love it. You have a really good sense of accomplishment to see how everything is manufactured.
It was one of the best decisions I've made so far. There's no reason not to do it.
Text, ChattState TCAT Chattanooga Industrial Automation/Robotics. Apply today. ChattanoogaState.edu/apply. Paid for by TBR, the College System of Tennessee. Perkins Career and Technical Education.